And we have breaking news coming in. We have breaking news coming in that the government has confirmed its policy on a booster dose of COVID is coming up. The policy, we have been waiting for this for some time now, and now we have confirmation that the government will very soon announce its policy on booster doses, as well as it will announce its policy on vaccines for children. This is something that has been in the works for some time now, but finally some breaking developments on this. We are learning that is the big breaking news. The government has confirmed that its policy on booster doses is coming up very soon. The National Technical Advisory Group on Immunization of India, its chairman has just confirmed that a comprehensive policy on additional and booster doses for COVID-19 will be made public in the next 2 weeks. A comparative plan for immunizing 44 crore children below the age of 18 will be made public soon as well. The prioritization process is underway so that children with comorbidities will be given the vaccination, followed by healthy children. So this is the next step in India's bid to vaccinate all its people. We have Madhurima joining us. Madhurima, this is a big update, a big COVID update, that there is going to be a policy on booster doses, that is the third dose, as well as on vaccines for children. Madhurima, what more can you tell us? What has precipitated this and when is it coming?
Well, Ankit, like you said, that it's a very major news break, and Mr. N.K. Arora, Dr. N.K. Arora, who's the chairman of the COVID Working Committee, has come forward and said that in just 2 weeks, there'll be a plan for a booster dose that will be made public. Also, now the priority of the government looking at the new variant of concern is to immunize the children. And like it was done in the elderly, that those with comorbidities were treated first in the similar fashion, the children with any sort of comorbidity will be given the jabs first. There are around 44 crore children in our country, following which after which the healthy children will be given. So all this will be out in the public. All these two major decisions regarding the vaccination of children and even the booster dose, the entire plan will be out in just 2 weeks. We've seen that the government has been very swift ever since the second wave in strengthening the entire health infrastructure, and this particular step has been made in the similar connection. Back to you.
Right, Madhurima, but this is the big news. This is the big breaking news coming in. This is the next step in the nation's battle against COVID. We are getting more inputs on this as well. But the big news, let me tell you once again, ladies and gentlemen, is that the government has confirmed that it is about to come out with a policy on booster doses. Now, many countries, the US in particular, has approved booster doses for all of its citizens. It's telling all of them to take it. We had been hoping for some kind of policy from the Indian government as well, so that we know whether or not to take the booster dose, what is the time frame allotted. Generally, the booster dose is prescribed to be taken about 6 months after the second dose, but we need to see what the Indian policy is going to be vis-a-vis this. And also then the big breaking news about children, about vaccine.
So we see that there is a lot of talk about this new variant for last maximum 6-7 days. It's less than a week. Second is, within 48 hours, WHO declared this virus as variant of concern. And there are scientific and robust biological reasons for that. One, that the number of mutations which are seen in this particular variant are far too many. In the spike region, that's the region of the virus which sticks onto human cells and then enters into body. There are more than 30 mutations. In the previous ones, there were 8 or 10, up to 15 mutations. Then in the other part of the body of the virus, there are another 30-40 mutations. So there is large number of mutations. That is one. The second is that within a week or 10 days in Pretoria and surrounding area, this virus completely overtook the Delta virus, which was previously the dominant virus. Third thing, that in a span of about 8 days, the number of cases in South Africa have increased by 10 times. So these are all issues of concern, and indicative that it may be of very high transmissibility. But the more scientifically valid data is going to come probably in next few days, and therefore we should wait till we go.
Right, and that was the NTAGI chairman. He was speaking about the Omicron variant, but I want to go back to this story about the booster doses. We have Shashank Joshi, Maharashtra COVID Task Force member. Doctor, thank you for joining us. What can you tell us about this move by the government? It's going to announce a booster dose policy very soon. How soon can we expect it, and what is the policy likely to be?
So I think what Dr. Arora was alluding to, who is the chairman of NTAGI, is that Government of India is likely to announce a policy which will have two considerations. One is called as the additional dose, not booster dose. Additional dose for those individuals, and this will be based on science, who need an additional dose of the vaccine if they have a moderate to severe immunocompromised state. And there are many medical conditions which merit them. So they will be detailed, and a detailed draft will be there, who will be eligible and who will not be eligible. So that is first thing which will come out will be the additional dose. Second thing, even for booster, a policy guidance will come out, and it will be exactly in a graded, calibrated manner, the way the vaccination program was started in January 16, first with healthcare workers, frontline workers, then comorbidities, then senior citizens, and then to all adults. So in that same calibrated way, it will be adult. The reason for the current delay was because there is no scientific data on the Indian vaccines which are used in India as far as mix and match, additional dose and booster dose were concerned. All the data which is available is based on mRNA platforms, which is why there was a delay. But within this week itself, there will be an announcement from Government of India on two areas. One is additional dose to those individuals who merit it on medical conditions, which will be spelled out in detail by the guidance which will come from NTAGI, chaired by Dr. Arora. And second will be a booster policy, which also will be announced at the same time, but a proper timetable will be there. Currently, the focus of the vaccination program in India is to ensure that the second dose is given on time, and people who are completely unvaccinated, that is where the pandemic is raging across the world, they are given the vaccines. That focus will not be lost. So equity will not be lost, but the people who medically merit the additional dose and or a booster dose, that detailed policy guidance will be out this week.
Right. Thank you, Dr. Shashank Joshi. So Dr. Joshi is telling us that it will be a graded policy, just like how the initial COVID vaccine rollout was. I thank you very much for that information, and you'll find out first when that policy comes out on Republic and republicworld.com.